Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to use the Colorlight's Universe Series video splicing processor to configure processor redundancy and data backup and recovery through the web interface. First, go to Advanced and click Processor Redundancy. Enable the feature by clicking the button. Then, choose whether the current device is the primary or backup device, and choose the effective scope to all screen groups. Configured groups will be automatically selected. Next, choose the switch condition. Switch when any window or all windows in a screen group fail, or set it to not switch automatically. Click Save to apply. Next, for backup and restore, you can enable automatic backup, choosing the desired backup frequency and time. To restore from a local file, click Restore from Local File. Import your backup, and select the device type single, redundancy primary, or backup. Tip: a maximum of 5 backup files can be stored. Older ones are deleted automatically. You can also perform a manual backup by entering a name based on the current time. After backup, you may restore, download, or delete the file. To restore, simply click Restore. Confirm, and log in again. The system will return to the saved settings. And that is it. You have now learned how to configure processor redundancy and manage your backups and recovery. Thanks for your watching.